Good evening, friends. It is April 9th at 8:28, and I just got ready for bed, put on my PJs, crinkled my hair, about to come in here in the kitchen and change a wallflower. So these are my pajamas that I got at Walmart, actually. Marnie Goldberg, she is a YouTuber as well, and my mom watches her, and she got these PJs from Walmart, and they are just adorable. They're blue with lemons all over them. And I am putting in rose water and ivy wallflower from Bath and Body in my, I have been coughing, I have been sniffling. I'm like, what is wrong with me? I have noticed that these wallflowers from Bath and Body Works are just, the scent and the liquid just, it's insane. It just, it's like a, putting it in, and it's a little heart light up wallflower. It's just so cute and adorable. And that's what it looks like at night. Since it is a little still early in the day, it's 8:32, I usually don't head to bed until like 9:30. So I think I'm going to stay up. I do, however, need to put some lotion on my feet because they are dry. Anyway, back to my evening. I am now reading, it's going to be a series on Apple TV, The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave. I'm kind of in my reading era again, and I am enjoying this book so far, and I am dying and can't wait to see what the series will be like on Apple TV+. Good afternoon, friends. It is 4:53 on Monday. It is April the 24th. It is very chilly today here in the Texas Panhandle. We had a cold front. Just went to the grocery store. Gotta love going to the grocery store. That's all of my bags and purchases. And it was a bad one this time, but I needed food for the week. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I'm ready to go home, ready to eat. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to have tonight. I got some lean cuisines, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking of like a chicken sandwich, chicken salad sandwich. I'm about to start making my own coffee, starting on Wednesday. Start trying to save some money. Oh, what do I want? I'm going to get my usual. This is what I like to order.
Yes, can I get 2 of your venti iced cinnamon caramel cream cold brews with 3 pounds of toffee syrup. Yes, ma'am. That is it.
Whew. What a day, everyone. I just got in the door and unloaded my car. And I am home. And here is my job of everything that I had to unload. Fun stuff. Purchased. So the first one is cheese ravioli, fried cheese rigatoni, fettuccine alfredo, and lasagna. Okay. And I also got me some mini root beers. And mini Canada Dry. Some hot water. This goes in the other room. This goes in my vitamin bag. So this is my Pepsid and my elderberry. You may be wondering why I am leaving my cabinet doors open. I'm having my bug lady come tomorrow. She had done some mouse traps and set some because I had a friend who visited me not too long ago that I believe came from that hole up in the ceiling. And as you can tell, there's little droplets still falling, and I'm wondering if, yeah. So that's what she's going to do for me tomorrow. I got the Aussie deep conditioning shampoo and conditioner that I am going to try out because I've never tried Aussie. Aussie was my jam back in the day, so we're going to give a try. Got me some bread to make chicken salad sandwiches, some Tahoe Petra's Farm white chocolate macadamia cookies, and then muffins for one of me for tomorrow for testing because I've got to have breakfast. But yeah, I'm just going through my house, putting this stuff down. I'm going to get into my comfies, and I'll see y'all again soon. It is April 26th on Wednesday afternoon, evening at 4:34, and a storm has just rolled in. We're probably going to get some rain. We got some rain last night. Thank the Lord for it, but hoping for some more rain. Good evening, everyone. It is April 24th, the day before payday, but I am in my PJs, comfy, about to read my book. I am reading The Last Thing He Told Me. It is really, really good. I definitely recommend it. I am so tired, everybody. So right now it's 5:57, almost 6 o'clock on Friday, April 28th. I am watching Angie Cadell on YouTube while I am cleaning my house. Dusting never ends. It's like laundry. We're watching Angie. Well, I'm cleaning.